Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hey there, home chefs. Today, we are diving into the wonderful world of rainbow trout. This beautiful fish is not only incredibly delicious and flaky, but it also cooks up super fast, making it ideal for those busy evenings. Plus, it's packed with healthy omega-3 fatty acids, a great bonus for your well-being. Get ready, because you're about to discover just how simple it is to create a truly fantastic meal right in your own kitchen. Before cooking, it is super important to properly prepare your trout fillets. First, gently pat them completely dry using paper towels. This is a vital step for achieving that wonderfully crispy skin. Next, it's time to season. Don't be shy. Sprinkle generously with salt, fresh ground black pepper, and perhaps a little garlic powder or dried dill. A well-seasoned fish makes all the difference. For that irresistible crispy skin, pan-searing is the way to go. Start by heating a little olive oil or butter in a non-stick skillet over medium-high heat until it shimmers. Carefully place your trout fillets, skin side down, in the hot pan. Let them cook undisturbed for about 3 to 4 minutes, allowing that skin to get perfectly golden and crisp. Then, flip them over and cook for just 1 or 2 more minutes until the fish easily flakes with a fork. If you prefer a more hands-off cooking method, baking or broiling your trout fillets is an excellent choice. Simply place your seasoned fillets on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. For baking, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for about 12 to 15 minutes, depending on thickness. If you choose to broil, set your oven to high and cook for roughly 5 to 8 minutes, keeping a close eye on it until the fish is opaque and flaky throughout. Once your rainbow trout fillets are perfectly cooked, it's time to serve and savor. They are best enjoyed immediately, straight from the pan or oven. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice is always a fantastic simple addition, or you could drizzle with a quick dill sauce for extra flavor. Pair it with roasted vegetables, a fresh salad, or some rice, and you have a complete, healthy, and incredibly flavorful meal ready to enjoy in minutes. Bon appetit!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.